Okay, you'll need like a hair clip with a hole in the end and a ring to go through that hole. I got these in a kit with a bunch of hair accessories, but I'm sure you could get them at any craft store. And I got some string or something and bunch of beads. You want a pretty big hole to put the string through. So put the string through the hair clip just like that, and then just start stringing the beads on. If you want one side shorter than the other, you can do that. Or if you just want one long string, you could tie it at the top here. And once you have all the beads on you want, you can tie it at the bottom. And just pull it down towards the beads and pull it tight. And then you'll want to cut off the extra. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've liked it, and if you have, please comment down below or like it, and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all our new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.